Okay, students, if tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, then the value of m square minus n square is equal dash. Okay, let us take tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m. Okay, let us squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now it is in the form of a plus b. Okay, then a plus b whole square will get tan theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to m square. Okay, let us expand according to form of a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab means tan square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 tan theta into sin theta is equal to m square. Let us take this as equation 1. Now let us see second one, tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n. Again here also we need to square on both sides. Squaring on both sides we will get tan theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to n square. Again we have to expand it according to form of a minus b whole square. We will get tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 tan theta into sin theta is equal to n square. Let us take this as equation 2. Okay, yes, now let us subtract second equation from first equation, means 1 minus 2 will get tan square theta minus tan square theta get cancelled, sin square theta minus sin square theta get cancelled, 2 tan theta sin theta minus of minus 2 tan theta sin, finally will get 4 tan theta into sin theta, that is equal to m square minus n square. Okay, we know that a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. That means suppose if tan theta is equal to a and sin theta is equal to b, then a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal, here a means tan theta minus sin theta whole square 4ab. Here that means 4mn, m square minus n square is equal to 4mn. 4 into right a plus b is equal to here tan theta plus sin theta, a minus b is equal to tan theta minus sin theta, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab, means 4mn is equal to yes. Is 4 tan theta into sin theta, this value for root mn. sin square 50 degrees plus cos square 130 degrees is equal to, we know that sin of 180 degrees minus theta is equal to sin theta, cos of 180 degrees minus theta minus cos theta. Here instead of sin square 50 degrees I will write sin square of 180 degrees minus 130 degrees plus cos square 130 degrees, that is equal to, this will be written as sin square 130 degrees plus cos square 130 degrees. According to first trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, in the same way, sin square 130 degrees plus cos square 130 degrees value equal to 1. Therefore, from the given options, option A is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you, students. Let us meet in the next class.